One of the standout features for supermarkets is the ability to transfer stock between locations. This tutorial will cover the product transfer process and delve into its details. Let's assign new items to a product stock to make everything more clear. As you see, 2 items are added by bulky assign in the product stock section. In both the quantified and items product sections, stock management is discussed. It is noted that after assignment, products can be sent to the destination branch by clicking on the View Transfer button. As shown, the product items can be modified on the transfer form. Once you are ready, changing the status to complete will enable the products to be sent to the destination branch. However, if you need to adjust the stock and send products to that branch, leave the status and modify the products in the transfer section. Now, click on the transfer button. Now, by signing in as Operator A, who is a branch manager registered in the User section, the branch manager can view the transfers. When the product is transferred, a notification is sent to the destination branch manager. They can retrieve the data in the transfer section, as shown. Once all products have been received, you can click on the Receive button. As soon as the products are received, all transfers will be archived. This data is a crucial component of the AI system in Cartify, used for predicting and analyzing future transfer and stock levels. 2 important features in Cartify are real-time notifications and the ability to transfer and modify data during the transfer process. For example, details such as the title and description, which are necessary for a transfer, should be assigned to it. Finally, all of these processes are the same for quantified products. To maintain cleaner data, everything is kept separate.